Okay, so I've been working on Dvorak training 5 minutes a day for almost a month now. Here are my training results. The first lesson, I zipped right through in a pretty linear improvement fashion. The second lesson, a lot more ups and downs, which have been a little bit more frustrating. I'd hoped I would have passed that lesson by now, which would be at 20 complete actual words per minute. But as you can see, the trend is upward, but there are some downward spikes as well as I've been adjusting and doing more touch typing instead of just hunt and pecking. I'm learning that, and I think we're going to start seeing an upward trend. I'd hope that I would have been there by now. Now, my wife also started working on this training, and she is doing it less often and improving much faster. As you can see, she's going to probably on her next time pass lesson 2, and she passed lesson 1 on her first try. She also started out as a better typer than me at over 100 words per minute, 112 here, and her Dvorak speed has gone from 9 up to 16, whereas mine over here, let's move me out of the way, I'm around 60 words per minute for Qwerty, and I'm right around, what is that, 10, 11, 9 to 11 there. But I'm improving still at just 5 minutes a day. It's hard to stop at 5 minutes. I want to improve faster. That's usually how I succeed, is just try harder and longer than most people. So we're going to add in another Qwerty and another Dvorak test today. Without further ado, we're going to pop over and do the Qwerty test first for 1 minute. You can see I'm not very good with the B. I've been a little slower on my Qwerty. Okay, so I'm at 50 words per minute on my Qwerty. We'll pop that in here. My Qwerty speed, typing word Qwerty, 50. Maybe I'm a 50 words per minute typer, and I just thought I was a 60. And then we're going to pop over to Dvorak, which the simplest way, once you have it programmed in, is Windows space, and you'll see that it changes over to Dvorak over there. And we're just going to restart the test right here. I'm going to get this out of the way so that I can see it. Okay, there I am, and here's my minute when I start. Now, mind you, I've only learned the home row, so I'm still hunting, pecking the rest of this. Where the heck is that W? All right, I'm at 53 characters per minute. 53 will pop into here. Characters per minute. 53. Get me out of the way over here. And that's going to be, ooh, that's not what I wanted to do. Oh, shoot, because I'm still in Dvorak. Okay. Let's hit the back button. I have no idea what I just did. Okay. Downloads. Sorry. I hit control something and I don't know what it was. I was trying to copy this. So, and that's a good point is something that's going to be a problem. And I've seen other people's ideas is you get used to the control copy, control paste and things like that. And then if you'd use the QWERTY keyboard, those letters are going to be all over and you can reprogram them to be the same letters or the same key position as in QWERTY. So if that's easier, or you can just learn where the new C and the new V, but they're right there. Copy and then V is paste. Anyway, so I'm at 10.6. And we're coming along. So now we're going to do a training, and you'll see that I'm a lot faster on this home row over here with the training. Let's make sure we're back in Dvorak and board training. So once I get this up to 20 words per minute, I'll complete all 100 words in the 5 minutes, and I'll move on to lesson 3, which will add a bunch more letters. But right now, I'm just working on this. So what we need is the stopwatch for 4 minutes. We'll fire that up. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You can see that this is actually, you could type at this speed. It would be a little frustrating depending on what your usual typing speed is, but it would be doable. It's funny how fast your brain learns. I haven't been using the keyboard. I've been touch typing, but now that I had to use the keyboard down there, I'm like drawn to it. I try not to look. Ooh. It's better. Now I'm not cheating anymore. I've been messing up with the O and U a lot. I'm not sure why. that. And we got through 50. That's pretty good. 50 words in 4 minutes. Windows space back to, because I have no idea where the equal sign is. I think it's not there. 50 words in 4 minutes. And we'll put the video link to today's thing right there. So that's 50 out of 100 words on lesson 2 in 4 minutes. That all in all felt pretty good today. I can see that it's getting easier to do that home row 12, and again, that's not my best time, but you can see here as I put that in, it's better than when I started on this lesson. It's kind of eking up more slowly than I want it to. I wish that was a steeper angle, but hey, improvement is improvement. So that's coming along, and then you can see, I guess my QWERTY speed is really around 50, not 60. I swear I can type faster than that, but I guess not. And then this one is just very slowly eking up. I've kind of hit a plateau here. It's going to speed up. It's on its way. As this gets better and we move on to the next lesson, we're going to see the improvements here. Now this is interesting. So I've done 2 hours of practice, and you can see my speed, and then I've been practicing for just under a month now, and you can see my speed has also improved here as a general trend. Now we've kind of plateaued up there, but I think we're going to continue in this sort of rate of improvement on up there. So we're 2 hours in. I've heard that you can learn Dvorak in about 10 hours. So we've got 8 more hours. I think that's really probably realistic. We'll see how it goes, though. I'm going to just keep on chugging along here. 1 month down, several months to go. So check out below. I'll put a post to this spreadsheet so you can learn along with me. And I'm just going to keep chugging along 1 video a week so you can see my progress. And of course, at the end, you can see my total progress, and we'll do a video of compilation of these. So you'll have 1 video that has it all. So check out below, check out this sheet, and come learn Dvorak with me week by week, day by day, 5 minutes a day. Catch you next week.